Let us solve another question on pipelining. This question was given in GATE 2014 for 1 mark. Here it goes. Consider the following processes, nanoseconds for nanoseconds. Assume the pipeline registers have 0 latencies. Okay, there are P1, P2, P3, P4. There are 4 processes. 4-stage pipeline with the stage latencies 1, 2, 2, 1. 4-stage with the pipeline with the stage latencies 1, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. 5-stage pipeline with the stage latencies 0.5, 1 nanosecond, 1 nanosecond, 0.6, 1 nanoseconds. 5-stage pipeline with the stage latency 0.5, 0.5, 1 nanosecond, 1 nanosecond, and 1.1 nanosecond. Okay, here, which processor has the highest peak clock frequency? Okay, so here, the important rule that you need to understand is, of course, you know that frequency we asked. What is frequency? Frequency is equal to 1 by t. Okay, so you know that f is equal to 1 by t, t is equal to 1 by f. Okay, mutually these are proportional. Now let us have a look at this 4-stage pipeline in the stage delay. First of all, we need to identify the t for each processor. You know that in a pipeline, time is equal to maximum stage delay, right? Time is equal to the maximum stage delay. Here the maximum stage delay is t. Tp is equal to 2 here. Here Tp is equal to 1 here. Here Tp is equal to TP is equal to 1.5 here. Here Tp is equal to 1 here. Here Tp is equal to let us say 1.1 here. Okay. Now what is the frequency? For this, frequency is equal to 1 by 2. For this, frequency is equal to 1 by 1.5. For here, frequency is equal to 1 by 1. For here, for this processor, frequency is equal to 1 by 1.1. So here, if you can clearly see, this has the highest clock frequency. Okay, the highest clock frequency is equal to 1 because the rest of all things will be less than 1. 1.2 is equal to 0.5. 1 by 1.5 is equal to around, let me calculate this. 1 by 1.5 is equal to 0.66. 1 by 1.1 is equal to 0.909. 0.90, so on. So, which processor has the highest clock frequency? The third processor, P3, has the highest clock frequency. This is the answer for this.